and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically create this Let's Dance video edit in CapCut PC. This is trending right now. So I'll get like around 4 videos and I'm just going to kind of crop it out to the song. So like right about here. Select the video, go to AI Stylize, go to Style, and go to Video Effects and add in Auto Velocity. Then go to Speed and times it by 0.9x speed here. And view the video again once you've done that. So like here. Then you're going to add in another video and you're going to do the same thing. So I'm going to start here. So here, I'm going to actually make it a little bit longer. Here, go back to AI Stylize, Style, Video Effects, Auto Velocity, Speed, 0.9x speed. And then I'm going to add another video. Starting from here. And then again, go to AI Stylize, go to Style and select the Auto Velocity one. And then again, go to Speed and times it 0.9x speed. I don't know why it started there. Hold on. Let me readjust the video. From here, sorry. Again, go to AI Stylize, go to Style, get a Video Effects, Auto Velocity, Speed 0.9x speed. I don't know why it's starting from there. See, when I add Auto Velocity, it starts from there. So let's just add it from... Oh, okay, apparently I can't. I'm going to start it from here instead. Don't know why it's like lagging like this, but... And then I'm going to add this last clip here. Again, go to AI Stylize, go to Style, go to Video Effects, go to Auto Velocity, go to Speed and select 0.9x speed. Wait for that to process. And then here I'm going to go to Animation. I'm going to add in a fade out animation. Go to Video Transitions and just add in the black fade to each clip. Or just select here and select apply to all. I forgot you can do that. And here's the final result. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!